Hi lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Viola, and in this video we'll be doing another hair growth treatment, and this hair growth treatment is onion juice. For this treatment we'll be using one bulb of onion juice we'll be using one bulb of onion to make this onion juice, so keep on watching to see how it is done. So I first of all remove the outer back of the onion, then we'll go ahead and use this, I don't know what this thing is called, but I'm going to use it to grate the onion. If you have a blender, you can go ahead and use your blender. You can use your mortar, whatsoever you have that can crush something, use it and crush your onions. So let us talk about the benefits of onion juice. Onion contains antibacterial and antifungal properties that helps to reduce dandruff and other scalp infections. Onion juice stimulates the scalp, resulting to faster and healthier natural hair growth. Okay, so you can go ahead and try this out. For you to see results, you have to use this treatment once in a week for like 2 months for you to see results. Okay, so I'm done grating the onion. I added a little bit of water so that it will reduce the smell and so that it will be enough for my hair. So I'm going to be using this sieve to sieve out the water and remove the chaff, as you can see. So our onion juice is ready to be applied on our natural hair. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to be using a spray bottle for the application. I'll just go ahead and pour it on my hair. My hair is already in large twist and I'm not taking it down because I don't want to start detangling again and putting my hair in this large twist. So I decided to leave it in this large twist and pour the onion juice on my hair. You should target your scalp because your hair grows from the scalp, and please don't do this treatment on a dirty hair. Make sure that your hair is properly washed before doing this treatment so that the onion juice will be able to penetrate into your follicles and you will get the results that you are looking for. Okay, so keep on watching. So guys, if you're still watching and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Like this video, drop a comment in the comment section. If this is what you'll be trying out, let me know. If you have tried it out already, let me also know your experience with onion juice. For me, I have tried onion juice countless times and I can say that it is really helpful in growing a healthy and longer natural hair. So after pouring the onion juice on my hair, I go ahead to use this plastic bag to cover my hair so that heat will be generated in my hair. That will help the onion juice to penetrate into my follicles and give me the results that I want. Okay, I'll be leaving this on for 1 hour guys, but you can leave it for as long as 2 hours, 3 hours, your choice. Okay, so to avoid this water getting to my clothes, I use this wrapper around I use this wrapper to tie around my neck so that it will be absorbing the water that will be dropping from my hair. Okay, so it is over 1 hour guys, it is almost getting to 2 hours, and it is time to wash out the onion juice from my hair. I'm not using any shampoo, I'm not using any soap, I'm not using any conditioner. This is just plain water. Okay, it is enough to remove the onion and its smell from your hair. You don't have to go ahead and wash your hair again since you already washed your hair before doing this treatment. So I went ahead to pour the water on my hair and make sure I squeeze out all the onion juice from my hair with the help of the plain water I am using. Just keep washing your hair until you are sure that the onion juice is out of your hair, okay? So at this point, I have dried my hair with a towel. My hair is not completely dry. I just drained out some of the water with the towel. So right now, I just want to remoisturize my hair with my olive oil. So lovelies, that is it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and click on the like button. Also leave a comment in the comment section. Share this video to your family and friends for them to grow long, healthy, natural hair. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you in my next one. Bye.